to be ready.
She was born to be. Please pick your judge.
And your judge is Sir Mark Tolentino.
Hello. Ngayong gabi, miss na ko.
Mabuhay ug madayaw, Sir Mar. May gabi.
Ito yung question natin. Does banning political dynasty strengthen democracy or undermine democratic choice to vote or be voted upon?
Undermine.
I know political dynasty is happening in our country and it should be avoided. Because politics and government service should be open to those people who can serve our country better. I know the Philippines is suffering right now with a lot of issues. And it is something that our government should look after. Because if we empower our world, if we empower the Filipinos, we will have a better world. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Daghang salamat.
Thank you. Daghang salamat.
Sabay.